Hi, I'm Emily, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get these fun, flirty beach waves using the ULTA Titanium Curling Wand. Use the Enviro 54 hairspray, keeps curls held all day. Spray it on a little section, and you just wrap the hair around and let it sit for a few seconds, and it creates these gorgeous beachy waves. There is customizable temperature control up to 410 degrees. It's great for versatile styling, and if you alternate the wave direction in which you style, you get a lot of body, perfect for everyday use. Now I'm gonna break up my curls, but I love to use dry shampoo whenever I do this. Not only does the dry shampoo get texture, but it's gonna soak up all the oils in your hair, so it'll give you an even more clean look. Oh yeah, oh, this is cute. My hair's never this curly. ULTA Titanium Curling Wand, sold exclusively at ULTA.